So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this versus animation or transition. So to start, go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rounded rectangle a little bit wide and increase the height of it to match the height of the slide. Once you have this column ready, hold down Ctrl and drag right on it to duplicate it and place this exactly next to the first one. Now move the first one up till the bottom edge meets the center of the second one. Now select both of these shapes, press Ctrl and G to group them, then go to Shape Format, Align, and Align Center, and Align Middle. Now right-click this group, hover over Group, and select Ungroup. Now with both shapes selected, rotate them to a certain angle, somewhat like this. Now go back to Shape Format, Align, and Align Center. Now you can customize the color and outline of these shapes as you please. Now once you have these shapes ready, go ahead and insert your versus picture. Now once you've inserted your picture, you can rescale it to whatever size you choose. Then select the shapes and make sure that they end before reaching the outside of the image. Now once you have this ready, right-click the background and click on Format Background. Now change the fill to Picture or Texture Fill and insert your picture. Then go ahead and insert the two PNG images on the left and right hand sides of the slide. Now once you've inserted the logos, select the two shapes as well as the versus picture, right click and click on Format Object, then go to Effects, open Shadow, and change the preset to the first preset. Now that we have all our assets ready, right-click the slide and click on Duplicate. Now on the first slide, zoom out and move the two logos outside the slide like this. Move the two columns as if they were moving in a straight line out of the slide, just like that. Then take the versus picture and move it above the first column. Now go to the second slide, right-click the background, click on Format Background. Now go to Effects, Artistic Effects, and choose Blur. Now you can either increase or decrease the radius to increase or decrease the blur amount to whatever looks good for your slide. Now select both of these slides, go to Transitions, and select Morph. Now let us look at the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.